My name's Colin Turner from Vision Engineering Limited in the UK. We manufacture a range of stereo microscopes for the electronics industry, and today I'm here with our distributor Sinerji, who have been with us for the last 5 or 6 years. What Sinerji give us is not only a strong customer base in Turkey, but their expertise and their ability to be able to demonstrate our stereo range with confidence, and they are very confident in what they do. Not only their ability to demonstrate the product and sell the product, they give it first-class service and support. So we're here today. I'm just going to run through now what we manufacture. We manufacture a range of stereo microscopes. This is a Lynx EVO, which allows you to use either a ring light or an oblique and direct viewing attachment to view around the PCB and the component at 360 degrees. What the Lynx EVO allows you to do is it's a clear glass screen. A conventional microscope has binoculars, and when you use binoculars you've got a very small exit pupil. What we've done, using a multi-lenticular disc, we've expanded the exit pupil so you get a clear image, and you can see no binoculars, no eyepieces, so your posture is correct. When you view into it, you've got ambient light, and you don't suffer eye fatigue or eye strain. With the Lynx EVO, we have a direct view, which allows you to look directly down onto the PCB, or we have an oblique view. On the oblique view, you can rotate at 360 degrees, and you can move around the component or the chip, whatever you need to inspect. Okay, you've got focus, you've got a zoom facility, a focus control, and it allows you with the camera to link it to a monitor. So not only have you got a viewing screen, but you can link it to a monitor, you can measure within the field of view, and you can input text to whatever and email it to your subcontractor or whoever you need to. We have here, secondly, a digital microscope, the EVO Cam. Now the EVO Cam allows us once again to zoom in on the circuit board. It allows us to go up to high magnification optically and digitally. It allows us to link up once again with a monitor. We can measure within the field of view. We can capture the image. We can input text onto the screen so we can email. The third unit that we're exhibiting is the Mantis. What the Mantis gives, it gives you a clear image where we've once again expanded the exit pupil. You're not using binoculars. It's all about ergonomics. It's all about comfort. With the compact, it allows you to go from magnification from 2 times to 8 times magnification. We have an Elite over there, the next version on the larger version, which allows you to go from 2 to 20 times magnification. The whole idea about using vision products is ergonomics. It's to make it simple for the operator, and it allows them to look through a microscope without eye fatigue or any posture issues.